Hello everyone. In this video I'll be talking about the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. This chapter belongs to class 9th. So let us understand the meaning of this chapter. The fundamental. Fundamental means the basic. Unit of life, that means the smallest thing which is present in living organisms. The fundamental unit of life is the cell. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Now, how he discovered these cells? He used his self-made microscope where he observed the cells of the cork. He observed the cells of cork. Cork is a substance which comes out of the bark of the tree. Which comes out from the bark of the tree. He observed that there are small little compartments like structures. He called these small rooms as cells. Apart from Robert Hooke, there are other scientists as well. For example, we have Leeuwenhoek. In 1674, he discovered fresh living cells in pond water. He observed fresh living cells in pond water by using an improved microscope. Next scientist is Robert Brown. He discovered nucleus in 1831. Now, nucleus are the structures which are present inside a cell. In the nucleus, they have all the DNA, or we can say the genetic material. Next scientist is Purkinje. Purkinje in 1839, he coined the term protoplasm. Protoplasm is the fluid which is present in the cell. Fluid which is present in the cell. Now next is Schleiden and Schwann. In 1838 to 1839, these two scientists gave cell theory. These two scientists gave the cell theory, in which they explained that all living cells, all living organisms are made up of cells. Now there is one more scientist, which is Virchow. He expanded the cell theory. He expanded the cell theory and added one more point, which is, he said that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. All cells came from pre-existing cells. Now cells that we are talking about, they have different shapes. They have different shapes and sizes. Their shape and size depend upon the function that they are performing. It depends upon the functions they are performing. For example, we have nerve cells, which are the longest cell in human body. These cells have to transmit the information from the brain to the sensory organs, and vice versa. And apart from this, we can also take the examples of skin cells, which are flat in shape because they have to protect the internal organs. Right? This is all about the cell. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.